Welcome back to my channel. For today I have this brown lips, just brown makeup look, and I'm just really loving it. I hope you guys like it. What can I say? I'm like super nervous at this moment. I will have my taekwondo exam in 2 hours. When I upload this video, it's a day after, so I will let you guys know in my next video on Monday, or just on Snapchat. Follow me on Snapchat, how it went. But I'm so scared. I am really nervous. But yeah. So anyways, if you want to know how I created this here on my face, then keep on watching. So I'm going to be starting with blending this eyeshadow here into my crease. This I'm using the Y716 brush. Then I am blending this shadow here into my crease. Someone told me to say the names of the eyeshadows, but I lost from this palette the color names, the plastic that was on it. I actually don't like to use that. I throw them away because I hate to have that in here the whole time and then have to look for the name. I don't know. But yeah, if that's something that you guys really want, I could also do that. But I think like right now you can actually see what eyeshadow I'm going to use, but let me know. And now with the Y19, I'm going to blend that also into my crease. This is a smaller blending brush, so we are getting now a little bit more precise into the crease. And then I am blending this color here in my crease with the Zuiva 227. And now I'm going to use this cream color in the color brown from NYX. And I'm going to apply this on my lid. And then I'm going with this lip brush, I'm going to apply this on my lid on top of this cream color stuff. And this is going to make sure that it's set so that it can't crease. I am so nervous at this moment. I will have my taekwondo exam where I have been training for this for already a year because I was gone for 2 years. I was still here, but I was not going to taekwondo, and I'm now absolutely addicted to it. But so I needed to practice everything all over again, and I forgot everything. And now today is the day in 3 hours that I will have my exam. By the way, first going to blend this here, this color here, now in my crease. This is going to blend this harsh line out. And yeah, I don't know, I'm nervous, I'm just scared that I will get a blackout. Because also when I had my competition or game, or I had this day that I needed to do tools and also just the sparring. But with tools I was making 2 movements and then I blacked out. I blacked out? Or I had a blackout, I don't know how you call that. But I forgot everything, so I stood there like. So I'm just scared that I will have that tonight because it's just scary. I feel like tingling in my whole body. Now I'm going to apply these Your lashes in the style Chloe. They are so pretty. Then I'm going to use this Mabel and Meg Luxurious Vitamin C Serum. Then I'm going to use this iconic illuminator in the color Original, or the Original Illuminator. Or is that too much? I'm going to blend it in with this Tarte brush. Whoa. Right now I look crazy. Then for foundation I'm going to apply the Matte Poreless Foundation from Maybelline. Oh my god, how do people do this? This is the first time I'm doing my makeup with, how do you call this? I don't know if you call this a hijab because you can still see my hair. I don't know how you call it, but I need to get used with this scarf on my head. This is the new Beauty Blender. I love this color. So this is not that easy. And I will probably get, again, a lot of questions about why am I wearing this. So I want to make a video about it, if you guys want to see that. By the way, I'm just going to make it, even if you don't want to see it. Because it's going to be an important thing for my channel, since I have been already deleting some videos. And I will probably be deleting some more videos, like a lot. So that's why it's important to know what's happening. And I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Oh my god, I'm so scared. So that's a lot better. Those dark circles. So I'm now using, I forgot to tell you guys, I just started using it, but the Morphe, no, what's happening right now? I'm too nervous. Motives Luminous Light Loose Powder to set the places that I concealed. For this I'm using the Morphe G35. And then I'm going to use this contour kit from Anastasia, and I'm going in with the color in the middle. I think this is the first time I'm going to use this palette. I already had one, but that one is almost empty. I'm just going to bronze up. And then I'm going to use this blush kit from Anastasia in the color Radiant. Or I'm going in with the color Coastline. And this palette is called Radiant. Then I'm going to use this new highlighter from Anastasia in collaboration with Amrezy. Look at this. Wow, I am so excited to use this on my face right now. Whoa. Okay, so this is the perfect color because it's super pigmented and it is also a perfect color. And I'm going to spray this Rainforest of the Sea Tarte spray. And then I'm going to blend this color here underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to apply this Ico Brow Gel. For my lips, I'm going to first line them with the cream lip liner from Jouer in the color Espresso. And then on top of that, this liquid lipstick from Motives in the color Rust and Roll. Then I'm going to use this brow gel from Ico. So I hope you guys like this look. I am loving it. I just love brown, and I think it looks also really beautiful with brown eyes. I actually wanted to apply or put in my green lenses, but they are all, I think, out of date. They were looking crazy, so I threw them away. But yeah, hope you guys like it. Like I said, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!